Picture this: you're spearheading a major digital transformation initiative within your organization. Amidst the chaos and complexity, the idea of a change agents network emerges. It promises to amplify your efforts and drive sustainable change from within. But before you dive headfirst into assembling your army of change champions, it's crucial to pause and ponder. Is a network of change agents the silver bullet your project needs, or just another layer of complexity? Who are change agents? Change agent defined. Change agents are individuals within an organization who champion change initiatives. They act as bridges between leadership and employees, promoting understanding, addressing concerns, and fostering a culture of adoption. What is a change agents network? A change agents network, also known as a change champions network, is a formal group of individuals strategically selected to support the implementation of a change initiative. Building a strong change agents network offers several benefits to your change management initiative. These include enhanced communication and reach, increased employee engagement, identification of potential challenges, role modeling, and improved training effectiveness. Does your project need a change agents network? As helpful as a change agent is, not every change initiative requires a dedicated network of change agents. Here are some factors to consider when making this decision. 1. The scope and scale of the change. Large-scale, organization-wide initiatives with significant impact on multiple departments benefit greatly from a change champions or change agents network. Smaller, departmental changes might not necessitate a formal network. 2. The complexity of the change. Complex initiatives with significant changes to workflows, processes, or technologies benefit from the targeted support of change agents in an organization. Simpler changes with minimal disruption to day-to-day operations might not require dedicated change agent leadership. 3. The organizational culture and communication. Organizations with a strong culture of communication and transparency might not require a formal change agents network. Organizations with hierarchical structures or limited communication channels would benefit from a network of change agents. 4. Availability of resources. One last consideration is available resources. Consider the workload on the change management team and whether resources are sufficient to support and guide change agents effectively. A change agents network can be a powerful force for positive change within your organization. By carefully considering your project needs and strategically building a change agent network, you can amplify your communication efforts and increase your chance of successful change adoption. Is there one tool that enables you to manage your change agents network and conduct all other change management activities? Yes. It's called OCMS Portal. Learn more about this all-in-one change management solution and sign up for a free trial at ocmsolution.com.